ओम यद्विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta Paribhasha, we have completed the first 6 chapters. The 6 chapters talked about the 6 pramanas: Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti and Anupalabdhi. Now we are beginning with 7th chapter, which is Vishaya Paricheda. It is about the subject matter of Vedanta. And the 8th chapter is the Prayojanam. Vishaya and Prayojanam are the two important aspects of Anubandha Chatushtaya. The Adhyasa Bhashya in Brahma Sutra discusses these two, Vishaya and Prayojanam. See Tika, page number 165. Atra prameyam nirupaitum upakramate. Vishaya means prameya. 6 pramana. Now this is prameya. Prameyam. Adhikari is called pramata. That is not discussed here. The sadhana chatushtaya part, etc. Instead, prayojan will come later. Prameyam nirupaitum upakramate. In Moolam, upakramate, what is the dhatu?
Gram.
क्रमोपाद विक्षेपे. क्रमोपाद विक्षेपे धातु you are studying in Lagu right now. एवं निरूपितानां प्रमाणानां प्रामाण्यम द्विविधम. निरूपितानां प्रमाणानां 6 pramanas which have been described. Pramanyam dvividham, 2 types of pramanyam. व्यावहारिक तत्वावेदकत्वम पारमार्थिक तत्वावेदकत्वम च इति. Pramanyam is of 2 types: Vyavaharika Pramanya and Paramarthikatva. Vyavaharika Tattvavedakatvam, Paramarthika Tattvavedakatvam. Pramanyam, सीधी टीका. प्रामाण्यम यथा भूतार्थ ज्ञान जनकत्वम. प्रामाण्यम मीन्स प्रमात्वम, यथा भूतार्थ ज्ञान जनकत्वम. यथा भूत अर्थ ज्ञान तस्य जनकत्वम is called Pramanya. As the Vishaya is, so is the Jnanam. The Janaka of such is called, or that Janaka will have Janakatvam, that Janaka is Pramanam, it will have Pramanyam. And if you say, like in Swatah and Paratva, the Pramanyam was Pramatvam. But here it is related to Pramanam. Yatha Bhutartha Jnana Janakatvam. Tattvam means Yatharthatvam. तथा च तदेव अत्र प्रतिपाद्यम. So that is the प्रतिपाद्य विषय here. In मूलम तत्र ब्रह्मस्वरूपावगाही प्रमाण व्यतिरिक्तानां सर्व प्रमाणानां आद्यम प्रामाण्यम. ब्रह्मस्वरूप अवगाही प्रमाण व्यतिरिक्तानां सर्व प्रमाणानां आद्यम प्रामाण्यम. Among all pramanas, the Adyam Pramanyam,
व्यावहारिक तत्त्ववेदक
Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakatvam Pramanyam is what? Brahma Swarupa Avagahi Pramana Vyatirikta. All those pramanas which talk about Brahma Swarupa Avagahi Pramana Vyatirikta. So Brahma Swarupa Avagahi Pramana is Shabda Pramana. Other than Shabda Pramana, all Atirikta Pramana, they will have Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakatvam. So Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalapti, they will have Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakam. Tattva Vedakatvam means they are revealing a Vyavaharika Vastu. Avedanam means Jnapanam or Kathanam. So these other five pramanas, they talk about Vyavaharika Tattva. And what is that Vyavaharika? Tad Vishayanam Vyavahar Dashayam Bada Abhavat. The Vishaya of these five pramana is not contradicted in Vyavahar Dasha. Means in Vyavaharika Satta, it is not contradicted. So those five pramanas, they are having Vyavaharika Tattva Vedakatvam. On the other hand, Dvitiyam tu Jiva Brahmaikya Paranam Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit Ityadinam Tattvamasi Ityantanam. Dvitiyam Paramarthika Tattva Vedakatvam is of Jiva Brahmaikya Paranam. Jiva Brahmaikya Paranam Vakyanam. Those Upanishad Vakyas which are Jiva Brahmaikya Para. Jiva Brahmaikya Paro Yesham Vakyanam. Tani Vakyani Jiva Brahmaikya Parani. Tesham Jiva Brahmaikya Paranam. Parah means Tatparya. Those Vakyas whose Tatparya is in Jiva Brahma Aikya. All those Vakyas are Paramarthika Tattva Vedaka. Drishtanta is starting from Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit iti Adinam. So Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit is the Adi of such Vakyas, culminating in Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi iti Antanam, up to Tattvamasi. So all these Vakyas, 621 to 687, 681, not 681. It should be 687. Yeah. They all are Paramarthika Tattvavedaka. Those Vakya, they will have Paramarthika Tattvavedakatvam Pramanyam. Their Vishaya, Tad Vishayasya Jiva Parakyasya Kalatraya Avadyatvat. Its Vishaya is Kalatraya Badhya. In three Kala, it is Abadita. Abaditatvat, that Vishaya is considered as Paramarthika. So Brahma or Jiva Brahma Aikya is Abadita in Kalatraya. In other words, in past, I was Brahma. Right now, I am Brahma. In future, I will be Brahma. Not only in Kalatraya, in anywhere. So, if I am Sakriya, I am Brahma. If I am Nishkriya, I am Brahma. So if I do some activity, then my Brahmatva doesn't reduce. It remains intact. Tacha Aikyam. Tika. Tatpratipadane. One number tippani. Okay, is yet to come. Tatpratipadane padartha pratipadanadhinam atah padartho nirupyata ityaha. Tatpratipadane padartha pratipadana adhinam. That means it's Vishaya. So the chapter is on Vishaya, Vishaya of Vedanta. That Vishaya of Vedanta is having Paramarthika Tattva Vedakatvam, because that Vishaya is Jiva Para Aikya. Jiva Para Aikya is Kalatraya Avadhya, and therefore that Vishaya will have Paramarthika Tattva Vedakatvam. To know this Vishaya, Tat Pratipadane Padartha Pratipadana Adhinam. Padartha Pratipadana Adhinam. Does your book say Pratipadane or Pratipadanam?
Pratipadanadhinam.
There is another reading. Tat Pratipadane Padartha Pratipadana Adhinam. In the Pratipadanam of the Vishaya, which is पदार्थ प्रतिपादन अधीन. So जीव ब्रह्म ऐक्य प्रतिपादन, विषय प्रतिपादन is padartha pratipadana adhina. It depends upon the two padartha, jiva and brahma, or tvam and tat. Ataha padartho nirupyate. Therefore, padartha nirupanam is taken up. Tacha ikyam तत्वं पदार्थ ज्ञानाधीन ज्ञानम इति प्रथमं तत्पदार्थो लक्षण प्रमाणाभ्याम निरूप्यते. लक्षण प्रमाणाभ्याम
वस्तु सिद्धि.
वस्तु सिद्धि. वस्तु सिद्धि will happen through lakshana and pramana. So prathamam tat padartha. First he talks about tat padartha, because the aikya jnanam depends upon the padartha jnanam. So this consistently you have been seeing. We saw this in Naishkarima Siddhi and in Upadesha Sahasri, 18th chapter. So Tattvam Padartha Jnana Adina Jnanam, Vakya Jnanam requires Pada Jnanam. So first he takes up Tat Padartha. Prathamam Tat Padartho Lakshana Pramanabhyam Nirupyate. Tatra, now what is Lakshanam? Tatra Lakshanam Dvividham. Swarupa Lakshanam, Tatastha Lakshanam cha iti. There is one Swarupa Lakshana and Tatastha Lakshana. What is Swarupa Lakshanam? Tatra Swarupam eva Lakshanam Swarupa Lakshanam. He gives one paribhasha. Swarupam eva Lakshanam Swarupa Lakshanam. Or there is another Lakshana, Tad Abhinnatve Sati Tad Bodhakatvam Swarupa Lakshanam. Swarupa means it is not different. Tad Abhinnatve Sati Tad Bodhakatvam Swarupa Lakshana. Then Tatastha Lakshanam will be Tad Bhinnatve Sati Tad Bodhakatvam Tatastha Lakshanam. That is Bhinna. Abhinna will be Swarupa Lakshanam, Bhinnam will be Tatastha Lakshanam. Tatra Swarupam eva Lakshanam, Swarupa Lakshanam. Tippani number 1. Yatha Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma iti. Like Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma is Swarupa Lakshanam of Brahma. Yatha in Mulam Satyadikam Brahma Swarupa Lakshanam. Satyadikam, so Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat iti Shrutehe. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, starting from there, Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat iti Shrutehe. All this is Swarupa Lakshana. Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat means Anandam Brahma in this way. May you know Brahma as Ananda Swarupa. Tika. Iti is given. तत्वं पदार्थ ज्ञानाधीन ज्ञानम इति, सच ऐक्यम तत्व पदार्थ ज्ञानाधीन ज्ञानम इति is हेतौ. Therefore, for that reason, इति हेतोः प्रथमोपात्तत्वात् प्रत्यक्षादि अगोचरत्वात् अभ्यर्हितत्वाच्च आदौ तत्पदार्थो निरूप्यते इत्यर्थः. So he gives some reason why first tat padartha is given. If the Acharya explains Tvam Padartha first, then he will give reason why Tvam Padartha is first. Here Tat Padartha is first, so he gives reasons for that. Because it is Prathama Upat Tattvat. In Tat Tvamasi, what is the first one? Tat. So he said that's why we are explaining Tat. And Pratyakshadi Agocharatvat. And because it is Pratyaksha Agochara, therefore it is first. Abhyarhitatvat, it is something which is more honored, respected, Abhyarhita, Adaraniya. So Tat Padartha Nirupanam is first. If Tvam Padartha is Nirupanam is done first, in many other Prakarana Granthas, they start with Tvam Padartha like Tattva Bodha, Viveka Chudamani, and Aparokshanubhuti, etc. So they will say Tvam Padartha because it is Aparoksha. And Tvam Padartha Shodhanam requires maximum effort. All sadhanas are for Tvam Padartha Shodhana. So then they explain Tvam Padartha first. Tatra Lakshana Pramanayoho. Tatra means between Lakshana and Pramana. Tatra Lakshanam Dvividham. So between Lakshana and Pramana, Pramanas are already discussed. So now Lakshana. Between Lakshana and Pramana, Asadharana Dharmo Lakshanam. What is Lakshanam? Asadharana Dharma. Swarupam Sat Vyavartakam iti Mukhyatvat Swarupa Lakshanam Lakshayati. Swarupam Sat, it being the Swarupa and it is Vyavartakam. Iti, this is the Mukhyatvat Swarupa Lakshanam Lakshayati. Tatra Swarupam Sat Swarupa Lakshanam. That is Swarupam eva Lakshanam. तत्पदार्थ लक्षणस्य प्रकृतत्वात् लौकिकं प्रकृष्ट प्रकाशश्चंद्र इति अनुदाहृत्य वैदिकम् एतद् उदाहरति. तत्पदार्थ लक्षणस्य प्रकृतत्वात्. So now that Tatpadartha Lakshanam is what is to be given, Laukika Drashtanta he doesn't give. Laukikam Prakrishta Prakasha Chandra, Prakasha Chandra. This is a Prasiddha Drashtanta for Swarupa Lakshanam. We have seen this in Sankshepa Shariraka, those who have studied. Prakrishta Prakashas Chandraha. Kash Chandraha. Shishya has Jignasa, he will ask, Kash Chandraha. Acharya will say, Prakrishta Prakasha Chandraha. This Prakrishta Prakasha is Chandra. रात्रौ. Not giving that example, iti anudahritya Vaidikam etad udaharati. Vaidika lakshanam Swarupa lakshanam udaharati. यथा सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म. आदिपदेन ज्ञान अनंत संग्रह. सच्चिदानंद सच्चिदा सच्चिदानंद सच्चिदानंदा सच्चिद अनंत सच्चिदनंतात्मकम एकमेव लक्षणम इति केचित्. सच्चिदनंतात्मकम एकमेव लक्षणम इति केचित्. सत्यादिकम प्रत्येक लक्षणम इति अन्ये. सम पीपल से सच्चिदनंतम ब्रह्म is सच्चिदनंतम, this is one lakshanam. Some people say Brahma is Sat, Brahma is Chit, Brahma is Ananta. In this way, each can be lakshana of Brahma. Both are correct. ननु असाधारण धर्मस्य लक्षणत्वात् स्वस्य च स्ववृत्ति धर्मत्वाभावात् कथम सत्यादिकं स्वरूप लक्षणम इति शंकते. Somebody says only asadharana dharma will be lakshana. Asadharana dharmo lakshana. So asadharana dharma will be lakshanam. Swasya cha swavritti dharmatva abhavat. In one's own self, that thing itself cannot be there. Swasya cha swavritti dharmatva cannot be there. So how satyadikam swarupa lakshanam? So what he is saying is, स्वस्य स्ववृत्तित्व अभावे कथम लक्षणत्वम इति. In Swa, Swa cannot be there. Because Brahma is Sat, Brahma is Chit, Brahma is Anand. So how this Satyam Jnanam Anantam can be the Lakshanam? Satyadikam Katham Swarupa Lakshanam. It is like saying Go has Gotvam. See, when you say Sasnadi Matvam Gotvam, so at least you know that Sasnadi is a different thing, Go is a different thing. Sasnadi Matvam is what you are using as Lakshana for Go. But Satyam Jnanam Anantam is Brahma. How you can say that is the Lakshanam? Katham Lakshanatvam? So he gives the answer. Na, tika. Dharme पारमार्थिकत्व विवक्षणे गौरवात् मैवम्. Dharmi and dharma, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam are not dharma of Brahma. They are dharmi only because Satyam is Brahma. Sasnadimatvam is a dharma of gau. But here, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, they are not dharma of Brahma. We don't accept dharma in Brahma. So, Tikakar says, dharma, if you take it as paramarthika, then there is gaurava dosha. Dharme paramarthikatva vivakshane gauravat. And therefore, we are not going to separate them as dharma and dharmi in paramarthik sense. Means really they are not two different entities. Moolam. Swasyaiva swapekshaya dharmi dharma bhava kalpanaya lakshya lakshanatva sambhavat. Swasyaiva swa apekshaya dharmi dharma bhava kalpanaya. Of one's own self, swasya swa apekshaya. Keeping itself in mind, a dharma dharmi bhava kalpana is done. So the drishtanta for swasya swavrittitva. If we say ghato bhutala vrittihi. So ghata is not ghata vritti. Ghata is bhutala vritti. Ghatasya bhutala vrittitva. So this is the drishtanta. Ghata is never ghata vritti. So in that way, how Brahma and Satyam, Jnanam, etc., they are associated as dharma and dharmi because they are one. So he says, swasya swa apekshaya dharma dharma bhava kalpana. So then lakshyatva lakshanatva, this bheda is possible. Lakshya lakshanatva sambhavat. Lakshya lakshanatva sambhavat means lakshya is dharmi. Lakshanam is dharma. Lakshya is dharmi. Lakshana is dharma. So Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, they will say, okay, we will become dharma. Brahma will say, I will become dharmi, lakshya. So a lakshana can come. But if Jnanam says, I want to be dharmi, and Satyam, Brahma, and Anantam can be dharma, that is also okay. Lakshya lakshanatva sambhavat. Now someone says, how did you come out with this arrangement on your own? He says, it is not me, Sitika. Swokte Padma Padacharya Sammatim Aha. In this Vakya, Padma Padacharya Sammati is also given. Taduktam. Anando Vishayanubhavo Nityatvam Cheti Santi Dharmaha Aprathaktepi Chaitanyat Prathagiva Bhasante iti. So those who are attending Brahma Sutra, they have already seen this. Ananda, Vishayanubhava means Chaitanya, Nityatvam, they become the Dharma. Cha iti santi dharmaha, dharmaha santi. But they are not different from dharmi. Aprathakve api. Dharminaha aprathakve api means Chaitanyat aprathakve api prathak iva avabhasante. They all are Chaitanya only. But as if there is a bheda between the two. Prithak iva avabhasante. Next is tatastha lakshanam. Dvitiyam lakshayati tatastha iti. Tatastha lakshana, so tad bhinnatve sati tad bodhakatvam. Tatastha lakshanam. Here he gives another one. Tatastha lakshanam tu yaval lakshya kalam anavasthitatve sati tad vyavartakatvam. Vyavartakam tadeva tatastha lakshanam. Yatha gandhavatvam prithvi lakshanam. Prithvi lakshanam is gandhavatvam. So yaval lakshya kalam anavasthitatve sati. As long as lakshya is there, it is not there all the time. Yavat lakshya kala sthiti is not there. That's why yavat lakshya kalam anavasthitatve sati, but it is vyavartakam. It does vyavartanam of other things. That is tatastha lakshanam. 1 number tippani. Okay, it is all pathantaras. 1, 2, they are all different pathantaras. Yatha gandhavatvam prithvi lakshanam. Just as gandhavatvam is the lakshanam for prithvi. Up to this we will keep. So gandhavatvam prithivyaha lakshanam, you already know this. Yatra yatra prithivitvam tatra tatra gandham. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.